Hi there, students. Veneer. Okay, veneer is both a noun and a verb. The basic meaning, the origin, is a thin sheet of a fine quality wood that covers a cheaper wood. So a piece of furniture can be solid, all made of one wood, or it can be veneered. So you could have a mahogany veneer chest of drawers. Mahogany is a very fine red-brown tropical wood. And a mahogany veneer chest of drawers, it's probably made of pine, a much cheaper wood. And then thin sheets of mahogany are applied all over the external surfaces. Like that, it looks like it's made of solid mahogany, but not in reality. It gives the appearance, but it's not. From that, we use this word figuratively to mean a facade, a false appearance, a fake surface, an impression, an appearance of, a layer of. So he tricked people by showing a veneer of generosity. It appeared that he was generous, but this was just hiding the reality of his character. All good lies should have a veneer of truth. So there is superficial truth, but the lie is hidden inside. And people believe the superficial truth and therefore the lie as well. He dressed himself in a suit and tie to give a veneer of respectability, an image, an impression, although he wasn't really respectable. They say beauty is but skin deep. Beauty is only the surface veneer of a person, but it doesn't show their real character. So, a veneer, an attractive appearance, or an attractive characteristic that a person appears to have that disguises their true nature, their true feelings, their true intentions. There was a veneer of friendliness on both sides, but one could clearly see they hated each other. So, a veneer, a sheet of fine wood covering a cheap one. Satin wood veneer, rosewood veneer, okay? And then a veneer, a false superficial impression. Politicians always show a veneer of honesty and sincerity, but the reality underneath may be very different. So a veneer, a surface appearance, a surface impression. Okay, as a verb to veneer, it's a regular verb. He veneered the chest with mahogany. He has veneered many pieces of furniture. Now, next question, what about formality? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think it's quite a flexible word, and I think you could use it in an informal conversation. But you might say a look of, a cover of, a coat of, an outer layer of, an impression of. I think I might use all of those informally in a conversation. So next question, the origin comes from German, funieren, yeah, you probably pronounce it better than me, meaning to cover with a veneer. And apparently there's a Proto-Germanic word, frumjana, to further, to promote. So a veneer, a surface impression of, but it's not the reality. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A Veneer.